DIY mung bean sprout sandwich. Yummy! Sprout your mung beans and add mayonnaise, tuna, and eggs. So simple, yet so tasty. After watching my latest YouTube on mung beans sprouts as functional food, because they are rich in antioxidants and in vitamin C and K, one of my friends told me, this is something new for me. Must grow some mung bean sprouts for supplements. In this video, I am sharing with you a simple recipe for making mung bean sprout sandwich using the harvest I had from the sprouting. Ingredients: well-cooked sprouts, sandwich loaf with wheat germ 2 slices, hard-boiled eggs, mayonnaise, and tuna chunk. The steps to prepare the sandwich is super easy. First, harvest the sprouts. Second, wash the sprouts and remove the skins of the beans for better taste. The skins of the beans will be dislodged when you wash it, and they can be recycled for your other gardenings. They are biodegradable. Third, boil water and cook the sprouts. Make sure they are well cooked to kill any potential harmful microorganisms. Fourth, after this, the sprouts can be collected. Try it. My hands are clean. Crunchy and sweet. Since the water is boiled, it can be collected and is drinkable. Since there is no fertilizer and is natural, you don't want to waste the antioxidants, vitamin C and K and others in it. Let me try it. Tastes yummy. Fifth, mix the tuna chunk with the mayonnaise. Spread them on a piece of bread. 6. Add the well-cooked sprouts on the tuna mayonnaise mixture. 7. Pre-prepare hard-boiled eggs. Remove the shell and cut them into half. Add the eggs on the sprouts and put another piece of bread on top and eat. The eggs were not pretty. Half of the egg yolk was given to the fish. She also needed to eat. 8. After eating, don't forget to drink the water that you kept from boiling the sprouts. It tastes sweet and smells fragrant too. Hope you like it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Tastes great.